Hi guys, welcome to live trading video. This is Ram from Wings of Equity. As per my setup, this is Bank Nifty spot chart. The closing of this 15 minutes candle is my entry. Strike price chosen 35,800 put. I will enter this candle. Remains to close 3-4 seconds only. We'll keep position sizing 100 as per risk reward ratio. Okay, still time running 10:29.17 seconds. Okay, it comes to 55 seconds, 56 seconds, we will enter the trade. As per our setup system, strike price I will choose. Enter the trade. First, see here, we will keep positions. First, we will fix SL. How much? 387. 327 is our SL. $327 is our SL. We enter the trade at 387. $387, $327, 60 point SL, 387, 507 is the target. See, as per our trade was executed, we'll see what will be the end result. This is the spot chart. This is the option chart. You can see live PNL also here. Okay, this is the spot chart. Spot chart. The closing of this candle is our entry. Okay, and we start trailing our SL also. How we trail? Every 10 points up move, I will trail my SL to 5 points up. We'll see what will be the end result. I will follow this. We'll talk about important points after completing this trade. Okay, we'll see.
We'll be driving down the state, yeah. Looking around for the next crowd, yeah. Going our own way, trying to find a new route, yeah. We'll be going in circles, trying to find a way, searching for the things we do, yeah. Drop top without a choice, yeah. Hair blown round to the window, singing stupid noise with you. I just wanna get to know ya. I wanna go far to the coast, yeah. I wanna drive fast to the ocean. I wanna know all of you. Growing old like a ghost, yeah. I wanna have kids of my own, yeah. Live a life till it's over. But until we do, it's sleeping soon. Yeah, I'm feeling a little crazy. Sat at home being lazy. Wanna travel till I'm 80, flying with you. Wanna take on the world and do something. Would you by my side like it's nothing? Wanna buy you things that you wanted. Wanna find you drop top without a choice, yeah. Hair blow round to the window, singing stupid noise with you. I just wanna get to know ya. I wanna go far to the coast, yeah. I wanna dive first to the ocean. I wanna know all of you. Growing up like a ghost, yeah. I wanna have kids of my own, yeah. And live a life till it's over. But until we do, it's sleeping too long. It's sleeping too long. It's sleeping too long. It's sleeping too long.
See, guys, trade was exited with hitting the trailing SL. Okay? Trade was exited with hitting the trailing SL. No issue. Today we lost the minus 25 points. This is very minimal loss. Okay? Very minimal loss. Consider my previous target. Target was 120 points. Today loss was 25 points. If these losses need to beat my profits, then 4 or 5 SL will be continuously hit, then only one day my targets will dominate. This is the powerful risk reward ratio I am maintaining. Okay, I believe my risk reward ratio, I believe my process, I believe my method, then no need to worry about these small losses. Okay, I will not consider these losses are my personally. I am not connected with emotionally. I will only follow the rules, methods. We'll talk about losses. Losses is very, very, very important for trading. If you are, I heard that most people try to avoid losses. Please don't avoid losses. If you are trying to avoid losses, sooner or later you will take big losses. It will affect your whole capital. Okay, try to understand that only win big, lose small. When by calculating average, your average win should be very big, very high, and your average loss should be very low. Then only you will become a profitable trader. This is the way. Unless you are trying to avoid whole losses, only you need profit means profits only you need means it will not work in your trading career. The trading is not fit for you. Please understand risk reward ratio. Please understand about losses. What are the important of losses? How to take losses? It's a probability game. It's not a certainty. I have taken trades based on probability only. I don't know whether it will hit target or stop loss. I simply execute the trade based on my setup. I am not fear, greed, and I am not indecisions about trade because I am a systematic trader. As per my system setup, I need to enter my trade. Right? Why I am talking about losses is target is everyone like why because in market everyone entered the market because of making money only. No one came here to make losses, but you need to learn to take losses. Losses is very, very important for it will change your behavior also. When you taking calculated losses risks, it will build your confidence. When you losing small, when you winning big, then your ultimate mindset will change for trading career. Don't be too attached with profit and losses. Always try to focus on process, method. trade any one system with consistency, discipline, definitely you will become a profitable trader. Targets is in market hand, it will give whenever it want, but losses is in your hand. You should think when you need to give, how much you need to give. See, if I not hit the TSL, our losses will be increased. This is smartest way of trading. If you like the video, if you like the process, please subscribe the channel. We'll see you in next video. Thank you.